Hello everyone, I'm really tired right now, so we'll see if we get anything done, but we'll try. So basically I think the focus on this video is going to be some refactoring. There's one thing about the assembly front in here that I don't really like too much, and it's the special edge case for return. I think no matter what we call here, we're always going to do the call thing. We're not going to do these things, okay? So basically we can just have, because in our root function we are actually concatenating the strlen template thing. I think I'm gonna rename that strlen template to, I don't know, bootstrap or some shit. And we're gonna put a we're gonna put another thing here, so we're gonna have a let's actually put it here. I don't think this is going to be a function, it's just going to be a jump kind of thing. So we'll do a return statement maybe. And here we will have sort of what we do over here. So call, where are you call? So basically here we're gonna do all of these things. So basically this thing here assumes that we have pushed something to the stack, right? So it pops whatever is on the stack into EX and do the standard return things, resetting the stack frame. So basically what this will allow us to do is simply jump to that place. Maybe we should, yeah, I don't know if I want, maybe we shouldn't have return. Right now the return is a function. Maybe we shouldn't have, maybe return shouldn't be a function. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're always going to do this. We're always going to do this here. And now if we compile this and let's just recompile the whole thing, and we do this, examples main, we're getting some problems because undefined reference to return. So now it's trying to, if we look at the assembly here, it's trying to call return because it still treats return as a function. I don't want it to be a function anymore. I've changed my mind. So basically we're going to implement statements, I guess. So we're gonna need a AST statement. Oh, we already have a statement. Okay. I'm thinking maybe the Lexer could even have, maybe even the Lexer could take care of that. I think we could do that. So in the Lexer, when we're about to parse an ID, we can basically check what the value is here. So token, I think I'm gonna have a token statement, and then we could just do like not really ideal to do string compares like that, but you know. Let's just do that right now. Okay. We're gonna do int token type is equal to token ID. But if this is true, then token type is equal to token statement. Okay. Oh, sorry. Token type. And now we're getting unexpected token semi, because the parser doesn't know what to do with this. So parse ID, parser, parse expression. Where's the parser parse? Parse compound. Parse expression. Which happens in the compound. So here we need to do if parser token type is equal to token statement, then we want to do parse statement, and we need to add this function parse statement. Parse statement. Parse expression. And then we could do, maybe the AST shouldn't be statement, maybe we should have AST return. I think that makes more sense. So AST return. And AST name. No, AST. Actually, we're gonna need a switch here, so. Or should the Lexer handle that, maybe? Maybe. That way we wouldn't need to make another We have a, didn't we have like a type name to int thing? Types. Yeah, I think we can do this actually. Parser. Oh crap, let's just do a string compare again. I don't really like to do that. Maybe we can refactor that later as well. I'm lazy right now, so actually we only have return statements now, so we don't really need to care about that. Return statements is the only statement we currently have, so we only have return statements right now. And actually we can just, yeah, then we have to do parser, parser token statement. Okay. And then we're gonna have to do, what do you have? Yeah, we can just have a value, so we can do st value is equal to parser parse expression parser, and then we can return the st. And now the visitor doesn't know what to do with this. I'm thinking actually the default function here, the default visitor thing or visitor behavior can actually be to just return the node, because sometimes we don't need to do anything with it. Or actually we should handle it, because we might want to do some optimizations later. So we're going to do an AST statement return. Visitor. I think we won't do anything with it right now though, but later we might want to do some optimizations. Actually, we should probably do probably create the optimization right away. Value. So basically what we will be able to do here later is, like, if the compiler can pre-calculate the return value, we can handle that here. So anyway, now if we run this, we're getting a seg fault because I don't think the assembly front end knows what to do with it. Where's your problem? Oh, should be node. Yeah, so now the assembly front end doesn't know what to do with this, which is should be pretty easy to fix. So ASF call. So we can copy this. And we can do an ASF statement return. And we can just jump to we need to pop the thing. So we will have to do we need to push the thing, so push and then we'll do so what do you want to push? Well, we want to do a char value s is equal to asf est value list, and we want to do plus string value s and then we need to put it here, so value s jump. Actually, we don't need to do that. We will always jump to return statement, the one we created before. Okay. And then we need to put it here, so statement return. Junk. Push. So what's going on here? Oh, because we're visiting a we don't need to do the push because it's already, when we visit a variable, we always push it. And it seems to be working. So what are we doing here? We're returning 1. What if I want to return 16? We recompile this. And it works. Cool. So now that is fixed. So now we don't have that weird if statement in the assembly front end. It's really cool. However, this thing here still needs to be refactored. Needs to be refactored a lot. Basically, whatever we're doing here, or whatever we were doing in the basically, I want this to look pretty similar. This one should look pretty similar. So we'll need to create some abstraction that always generates the codes for the arguments. But yeah, this refactoring was really nice to do. So that works pretty good. So I think the next video will also be a refactoring video, and we will start refactoring the print thing to make it more generic. And after that, I think we're gonna work on the possibility to create variables like this or something. I don't even know what that's gonna do right now. Yeah, it doesn't know what to do with that. So yeah, that will be for the next video. But yeah, we changed the return function to a statement instead, and it works perfectly fine. Yeah, that's great. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.